everybody, CindyALewis here. It's time for the Friday giveaway drawing for May 10th. Today I'm giving away this cute set of stamps. It is from Crafter's Companion. It's a signature collection from Sarah Davies called Crafty Fun. It's called Accents and Frames. What a fun set of stamps to get. So I put the URL in here from last week's video where you entered, and we're going to fetch it. And the keywords to enter were Friday giveaway. Let's see, Friday, there it is. And I allow you to enter multiple times, so we're going to get the entries. Woo! 115 entries this time. That's awesome. Well, when I pick the winner, it is very fast. So I'm just going to pick a winner. And the winner is Debbie Nelson. Congratulations, Debbie. Actually still have your address if that is the correct address. And I'm going to send this out to you. So congratulations, Debbie Nelson. Now you may be wondering, how do I get to be eligible for drawing on Friday giveaways? Well, let me tell you, this is the next set. It was purchased at Tuesday morning. It's never been opened. It is clear acrylic designer stamps from Echo Park Paper Company. Let's see, it has Create Today, has morning, afternoon, evening, has Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, has this little cute pencil camera and this little pointer triangle. Anyway, very cute, and you could win that if you enter underneath this video the words Friday giveaway. If you are a subscriber to my channel, and that is why I celebrate all my subscribers. So you do have to be a subscriber to be eligible for the Friday giveaway. And you can enter every single day. And if you share the video, you can enter again. So congratulations to you, Debbie Nelson, for winning tonight's drawing. And happy Mother's Day, everybody. Have a great weekend.